Hello and hi friends, welcome back to KRISHNA'S tutorials. So this video is for those students who are from any state other than Telangana and Andhra Pradesh and willing to take admission in Telangana. So especially I am going to throw light upon the procedure as to how to get admission into law colleges of Telangana for students who are from any other states other than Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, be it Tamil Nadu, be it Maharashtra, be it Kerala, etc. etc. So, like if you are not from Telangana and Andhra Pradesh and if you want to take admission in Telangana law colleges, then what is the procedure? So, this is the question that I am going to answer in this particular video. So, my dear friends, please watch the video until end without skipping. So, first of all, understand that among 100% of seats, we can divide them into three categories. Number 1, local category, number 2, non-local category, and number 3, NIQ, National Integration Quota. So as this video is related to NIQ, let me only tell about NIQ. So NIQ, how can a student from any state within India other than 3S and AP get admission? So in Telangana law colleges. So I guess the procedure which I am going to explain in this video will be the same for Andhra Pradesh as well, but I need to cross check it again. But in Telangana, this is the procedure. So first of all, understand NIQ stands for National Integration Quota. So this NIQ reserves a certain number of seats or percentage of seats for students from any state within India. So students should be from any state within India or any union territory within India, but not from abroad. So students from other countries cannot get admission. So within India other than Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So far as I know, so based on the previous year experience, so I used to see some students from other states, and I used to ask them what is the procedure when they applied for TS laws at 2022 and when they applied for admission in Telangana. So based on the information that I received from the students of past year who tried to take admission under NIQ, so I am making this video and providing the information in this video. So far as I know, NIQ is applicable only at government universities and government law colleges. So this is the first thing you need to know, and it is a very important thing. So some of you may be thinking I can also take admission in private colleges through NIQ. So as a result, but that is not possible. So as a result, a non-resident of Telangana or Andhra Pradesh cannot enroll at private law colleges through NIQ counseling. But however, there is an option called management quota. You can always use management quota option if you want to take admission in private law colleges. And for taking admission under management quota, you need not to qualify law set also. You can directly take admission. But in order to get seat under NIQ, you must be a qualified student in TS law set 2022. So you must pass the entrance exam and you should have rank card. So procedure in Telangana. So as soon as the counseling information is made available, visit the admission office with. So for every state, even if you take Andhra Pradesh, there will be an admission office for law set. In Telangana also there will be an admission office for law set. So usually the university which conducts the exam, which organizes the exam, in that university the admission office will be located. So in 2022, Usmania University has conducted law set 2020 2022 entrance in Telangana. So the admission office is Law College of Telangana. So the admission office of law set is located at Usmania University campus, Law College. So once the counseling information is made available, like the notification, when they issue notification of counseling, So you should visit the admission office with application letter. So what is this application letter? In this application letter, you need to write your name and your introduction, from where are you, what is your highest qualification, in which course you are willing to take admission, what is your lowest rank, hall ticket number, etc., etc. All the details you need to provide in the application letter, and request them to give admission. So original certificates you need to carry, and 2 sets of xerox copies also you need to carry. So this is advisable. So they will take your number and inform you after fixing the counseling date for NIQ. So what happens when you visit the admission office after release of notification? So firstly, understand that the admission procedure for local and non-local candidates is different from the admission procedure for NIQ. So usually NIQ students visit the admission office, submits a request letter, and they carry original certificates and xerox copies, as and if the admission department asks you to produce those, you can produce at the moment. Otherwise, again, you need to travel to your state to get those certificates. So that's why carrying all the certificates along with xerox copies is advisable. And once you submit a request letter, they will either take your number or they will give you a number. They may give you their number. Some are the other way. They will let you know the counseling date for NIQ. Okay, counseling date for NIQ. So you personally have to find out that how to get the information about NIQ admissions. So they will be guiding you. So don't worry about it. So on the informed date, so for example, if they take your number along with your application letter, so they will WhatsApp you or they will call you, so and so is the date for NIQ admissions. Students should visit the admission office again with original certificates, especially the migration certificate should also be produced. So on the informed date, you have to again come to the admission office and get your original certificates verified, including your migration certificate. So migration certificate is very important here. So as you are transferring from one university to other university, so migration certificate is needed. So guys, so this is the procedure. So finally what happens? So on the informed date, everyone who wants admission under NIQ comes to the admission office. So among those students who has or else as per merit, they will allot seats, and they will verify certificates at the moment. If all the certificates are perfect, then they will give admission. Otherwise they will go to the next candidate as per merit. So this is how admission process happened in Usmania University, especially in the past year. So if you want to take admission in Usmania University, you need to submit application letter in Usmania University Law College. If you want to take admission in Kakatiya University or some other government law college, then you need to submit application letter separately there also. So you need to submit application letters individually. So remember this point, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much guys. Keep smiling, stay connected.